Hi Andy, name me Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel Learning Lens. Today we are going to discuss sixth problem in exercise 3.1, that is linear equations. Okay. So first of all read the question. So read the question and break the question for solving easily. Okay. So given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0 means here one linear equation is given. What is that linear equation? 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. So write another linear equation in two variables. So what we have to do? We have to write another linear equation. Here x and y are the two variables. So we need to write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting lines. So like that we need to break the question one by one and we need to understand and then only go for solving. So what is the question? So first of all we need to write the linear equation in two variables like this. Okay, so what is the geometrical condition for that? It should form the intersecting lines. So the given line and the line whatever we are writing. So both the lines means a pair of linear equations should satisfy the equation, that is they should form the intersecting lines. So first of all write on the given line. So what is the given line? 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0 is the given line. So we are going to write another line such that the pair of linear equations should form the intersecting lines. So what is the condition for intersecting lines? a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. This is the condition for the intersecting lines. So this is, we need to write another linear equation. So let's 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. So this is one equation, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. And we need to write another linear equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So whenever a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So one simple logic I will say, what is that means? If the ratios are equal, so we can write simply the multiples. So whatever the multiple here we are taking, the same multiple should be taken here. If the ratios are not equal, then don't take the same multiples. Okay, that is a simple logic. So 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. So here a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. So I am writing 2 2s are 4. That is 2 2s are 4. So 2 into 2. So I am doing 2 into 2. Again here also. If the ratio are equal, then we can do that 3 2s are 6. But here the ratio is not equal. So then do 3 into 3. So 3 into 3 how much? 9y minus 8 equal to 0. So what I am telling, understood? If the ratios are equal, then we can do 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Okay. Otherwise 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. But here the ratios are not equal. So here 2 2s are means here 3 3s are or 3 4s are. The multiple should not be the same. Okay. So now the equation is 4x plus 9y minus 8 equal to 0. So now compare a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. So what is a1 by a2? 2 by 4. That is 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So the cancellation should be done in the same table. That is 1 by 2. a1 by a2 we got as 1 by 2. Next b1 by b2. What is b1 by b2? So 3, 9. 3 by 9. So cancellation I am doing in the same table. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. That is 1 by 3. So look at here. a1 by a2 is 1 by 2 and b1 by b2 is 1 by 3. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So our condition is satisfied and the lines are intersecting lines. We can say that the lines are intersecting lines. So what is the given equation we have framed? So the framing equation is, the required equation is the required equation is 4x plus 9y minus 8 equal to 0 is the required equation. Understood? Next question, parallel lines. So we need to write another linear equation in two variables. So we are going to write a linear equation in two variables. So that line and the given line should be able to form the parallel lines. So what is the condition for the parallel lines first of all? The condition for parallel lines is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, but should not be equal to c1 by c2. This is the condition we need to satisfy for the parallel lines. Okay, first of all, write down the given line. What is the given line? Given line 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0 is the given line. Okay, now we need to frame another line. So this is in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and we need to frame another line such that a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So observe these ratios and frame the line. Okay, so a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. So now we can write same multiple. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, but it should not be equal to c1 by c2. So generally we can write 8 2s are 16, but when we should write like this, 8 2s are 16 if it is equal, but here it is given it is not equal. So write the c1 as 9 or any other number other than the multiples of 8. Okay, so now observe what is a1 by a2? 2 by 4. How much? 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, that is 1 by 2. What is b1 by b2? 3 by 6. a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. So 3 by 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are 1 by 2. But it is not equal to c1 by c2. So what is meant by c1 by c2? What is c1? Minus 8 by minus 9. Minus 9 is get cancelled. So 8 by 9. So here a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is 1 by 2. And so here a1 by a2 is 1 by 2. So here a1 by a2 is 1 by 2 and b1 by b2 is also 1 by 2. Means these two ratios are equal. So I can write that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 because both are 1 by 2 only. But it is not equal to c1 by c2. Why? Because here a1 by a2, b1 by b2 both are 1 by 2 only. But c1 by c2 is 8 by 9. So it is not equal to c1 by c2. So our given line and the required line both are satisfying the condition. The pair of linear equations are parallel lines. So therefore the required equation is, what is the required equation? 4x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0 is the required equation. Okay. Next, third bit, coincident lines. So we need to frame the linear equation in such a way that the given line and our line should satisfy the coincident lines condition. So first of all, what is the condition for the coincident lines? So a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So this is the condition for the coincident lines. So what is the given line? Given line 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0 is the given line. So we need to write another linear equation. So this is in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a1, b1, c1. Next we need to write another linear equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So what is given here? All the ratios are equal. Then simply we can write the multiples. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 8 2s are 16. If all the ratios are equal, then simply we can write the multiples. Okay, a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. So what is a1 by a2? 2 by 4. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 by 2. So I am cancelling in the same table, that is 2 table. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So the cancellation should be done in the same table. Next, b1 by b2. So what is b1 here? 3, b2 6, 3 by 6. Again I am cancelling in the same table, that is 3 table. 3 1s are and 3 2s are 6. So 1 by 2. Now what is c1? c1 by c2. So c1 is minus 8, c2 is minus 16. Minus minus get cancelled, 8 by 16. 8 1s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. So c1 by c2 how much? 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is 1 by 2. So A1 by A2 is also 1 by 2, B1 by B2 1 by 2, C1 by C2 is also 1 by 2. Then A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Okay. So our condition is satisfied. Therefore, the given pair of linear equations are coincident lines. Therefore, they are coincident lines. Therefore, the required equation is what is the required equation? 4x plus 6y minus 16 equal to 0 is the required equation which satisfies the condition that the lines are coincident lines. Understood? Thank you for watching.